Court stops sole administrator from resuming duty in Rivers. Oh, they stopped him from resuming duty. Okay. The State High Court in Port Harcourt has granted an order preventing the sole administrator from resuming his duties in Rivers State pending the determination of the substantive suit. The suit was filed by Honorable Edison Ogawanya, former Chief of Staff to immediate past governor of Rivers State. Immediate past governor, that's is that not Wike? The immediate past governor. His Excellency Siminalayi Fubara. I don't understand. Why are you calling him a past governor? He's just suspended. So why is referring to Siminalayi Fubara as a past governor of Rivers State? I don't understand. Edison argued that the presidential pronouncement of state of emergency in Rivers State is unconstitutional. Justice Danagogo, in his wisdom, granted the prayer of the former Chief of Staff to suspended Governor Fubara and urged all parties to maintain the status quo. Okay, Zamzita says, Mr. President, I'm ashamed of what you are doing. Some of us down north are fighting for you, having hope on you, praying for this government. They get hope. But just imagine what you are doing. You are not successful far. Okay now, Jacob Ilesomi says, it's like these people believe that any legal action can stop the manifestation of the emergency in Rivers State as declared by the federal government. Rubbish. Jacob Ilesomi, why don't you think that something can stop it? Is it in accordance to the Constitution? No, it's not. So why is the governor saying something that is not in the Constitution? Suspending somebody, suspending a sitting governor, elected the same way you were also elected. It is not done. At least the NAS should give you a go-ahead before you do that. But you are not carrying the National Assembly along. So, Paul Bazi says, I love this and I love Fubara. Tinubu should know now that there is democracy and rule of law in Rivers State. I'm from Ebonyi State, but I pray that Fubara succeed. Amen. Amen. Julius Dasa says, heaven go hard to enter of Nigerians, I'm telling you. Musa Zakayo says, the masses are dying of hunger, yet the president did nothing, only supporting this political hotting dog. I'm telling you, there are so many places in the north, even Benue State. Headsmen will go there and do harm to the people living there, kill them, go to their farm, destroy it. And yet, you did not declare state of emergency there. And the north, the Yobe, the Nasarawa, all those places that Boko Harams are imminent over there. You did not go there to say, okay, let us declare a state of emergency here. It is Rivers State that is relatively peaceful that you decide that, oh, I'm going to declare a state of emergency in this place. Well, it is well. Mawamba Osayiko says, this is great and good news. What an illegal administrator and declaration. I'm telling you, so illegal. So illegal. What is it? Gabriel Osa says, comedy high court judgment. The sole administrator is resuming no matter the board judgment from any corner. Who is buying judgment? Look at you laughing. Look at you, Gabriel. I'm sorry for you. Gary Chedu says, how can Tinubu hand over Rivers State allocation to a strange man that they never voted for? I'm telling you, somebody from Cross River. He's not even from Rivers State. Oh, let us assume that it's somebody from even Rivers State that they appointed now. We will say, okay, we went to appoint a naval officer from Rivers State, from Cross River State. These people, it is well. Akinyele Balogun says, the status quo is that the emergency has been pronounced, gazetted, and duly effected before the Chief of Staff went to court. Before he knows it, the 6 months would have lapsed before the trial concludes. That's another angle. Because that's how they will be postponing. And we adjourn. Before you know it, 6 months don't finish. It is well. Alfred Edegi says, it is simply a deliberate act to seize the River State funds by Wike and Tinubu. Of course we know. We know it's a deliberate act. They've planned this out. They've thought about how they want to go about it. And they've carried it out. That is just it. Nojo says they are still what they are, Governor, Chief of Staff. Only their operation have been suspended for 6 months, though renewable, not terminated. Fubara and his staff retained their official position but suspended in the interim. I think this clarification is necessary lest someone sacks himself when he hasn't been dismissed from work. He's not sacking himself. He knows the meaning of suspension. He's not an illiterate. He knows. Fatai Salami says, It is well when it is being pronounced by the President and ratified by the National Assembly. Exactly. National Assembly is supposed to agree to it, but we all know that even if they say the National Assembly to agree or not to agree, they are going to do the President's bidding. We all know that one. In Nigeria we do. Anne Ashewe says what this judge doesn't know is that the amended version of Section 308 of the Constitution stated that no law court has power to question any actions taken by the President after proclamation of the state of emergency. There's nobody that is saying that the President cannot declare a state of emergency, but you cannot suspend a sitting governor. You cannot suspend. You can declare a state of emergency. Obasanjo did it and got away with it. So that means that Tinubu should also do it and go away with it. Now wow, it is well. Ayonbayi says, I hope the NJC will not twist the judge to reverse the order. We know they are going to do that. They might not even give a judgment, they'll just be adjourning. Oh, we adjourn the case to April, and then in April they will adjourn it to June, and then in June they will adjourn it to August. Before you know, 6 months don't finish. James Adano says all the Igbo comments are against Tinubu. We already know cause of their anger upon Tinubu. Who be this mumu? James Adano, what state are you from? I beg, go and sit down. Cyril also says someone that has been sworn in under emergency rule is only Senate that can stop him from performing, not one that Nagogo from NJC. Okay, It is well done. Aweze says the issue is that Tinubu overreached himself by suspending an elected governor, yes, which is unconstitutional, very, very. The same constitutional provision allows the president to declare a state of emergency nationwide if the nation is at war. Is Rivers State as well? No. Rivers State is not at war. There is no fighting. There is no killing anyway. Will Tinubu suspend or remove himself as president if Nigeria goes to war with another country? Since high time you stop this executive recklessness, I'm telling you, you people will do constitution and you still be disobeying what is written there. Ikena says, I've discovered that a lot of Nigerians don't have proper understanding of what is happening in Rivers State. The president has no power to remove an elected governor. Exactly. What is playing out is executive lawlessness that has been the bane of Nigerian politicians. Yes, so there's no democracy again in this country. It's just authoritarian dictatorship that we are doing. Tinubu is simply interested in looting Rivers State money to prosecute his 2027 presidential ambition. Bam. I'm ashamed that most commentators from Rivers State can't see the validity of this assertion. Welcome to Zoo. Yes, so welcome to Zoo. It is well. My listeners, over to leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.